welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do my fastest makeup look ever. I'm going to be using these Blue Heaven goodies. I'm going to be reviewing one by one as I go on applying them. I am running late, so let's just make it on time this time. If you want to see my go-to when I'm running late, then please keep on watching. I have these goodies from Blue Heaven. It is #ColorMeHeaven, and you can see there's a lot of things going on, and I'm so excited to try these on. So let's really jump in. So I have their Hyper Matte Foundation. This also contains 25 SPF, which is really great for a day-to-day look. Next we have is this Blue Heaven Intense Kajal Liner. Not just a kajal, it is actually a twin kajal liner. So you have the kajal and then you have the eyeliner. Isn't that great? I have this Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara, Long Lash Creme Mascara. I have this brow product now. This is Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. It's like a retrieving pencil. Next we have is this all-in-one makeup stick. This is HD and it is as well as waterproof. And of course we cannot go without a compact, so here we have the Oil Control Compact Powder. We have this pretty lipstick in this beautiful pink shade. I really cannot wait to have it on my lips. Here I have already primed my face and now I am moving on with the concealer. This one is in shade Honey Medium. It is for ₹150. It is also a HD stick, as you can see, and I really like the packaging. Even for this amount, the packaging is truly amazing. We really need to move fast, so I'm just applying it onto areas where I generally need a little bit of concealing. Now I'm going to move with my blender and blend this out. And you can see it just blended right away, and that's exactly something I am liking about this product. Wow, look at that blend, you guys. The product just went off. It did provide a good amount of coverage to my under eye as well as my chin. Wow, the finish is amazing. For the foundation, I'm using Blue Heaven's Hyper Matte Foundation. It is liquid formula, buildable coverage, and it does not clog your pores, and it says over here that it's going to feel lightweight. The shade I'm using is Honey Medium plus Golden Yellow. Just gonna get this out. This one again has SPF and it retails for ₹200. The packaging is truly amazing. I'm just going to take a pump of few of this foundation onto my hand. The shade matches to me perfectly and I'm glad that it does. Wow. The finish is truly good. I don't know how good you can see on the camera, but in person, wow. I'm loving it. It truly feels very lightweight, but we'll see how it really works out throughout the day. I'm going to do a time test for all these products and of course the makeup look that I'll be wearing today, so make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Guys, this is truly amazing. It is very much matte, but it also is giving this lovely sheen. And if you're someone who has dry skin, just make sure you prep your skin properly. But wow, this is truly amazing. Now I'm going to work in my brows. For that, I'm using the Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil and Combo. It's in shade Ash. And I'm just getting it out. This one retails for ₹175. This is what it looks like. Again, I think it's dual. Wow, the packaging is so premium, it feels so good. And then you have a spoolie on the back. Let's just start by brushing the brows. And you know, half the work is already done when you brush your brows. Literally when I just use a spoolie on them, they set themselves. So it makes it very easier for me to work with them. This I'm going to go a little. Wow, this, and just filling in a little bit of the spots that I feel need to be filled. Bold effect. Bold yet minimal. I'm using the spoolie to make sure that my hair are in place and that nothing's really off. Ooh, perfect. My compact. This is the Oil Control Compact. It too has SPF 25 in it. I'm just removing it from the box. This one retails for ₹165. And the shade that I'm using is Honey Medium. It's like again ₹165, and this packaging, it's quite good. And they also have a small puff for you. That's so sweet. It's going to give you a total proper matte effect. This compact also has a mirror in it. I'm going to simply set my base using this oil compact from Blue Heaven in shade Honey. Make sure when using puff like this that a lot of product might get settled on one place, so just make sure that the product is evenly spread. Just simply tap in and work it. Now if you're someone who likes to have a little shine on your face, you can just go over to the places where there is a lot of oil secretion, and you can leave your high points like your cheekbone, and voila, my face is so perfectly set. And since I'm running late, I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. I'm just putting on this powder to set on my eyes. I'm going to quickly do my eyeliner, and I'm not really a big fan of kajal, so I'm just going to go in with the liner. This liner is amazing because it says over here that it has precision eyeliner felt tip. So I think applying liner using this is going to be really easy. Also waterproof and smudge proof, and it retails for ₹225. It's again dual. Over here it has the eye pencil, the kajal, and over here we have the liner. Very smoothly, you guys. It just glides on. Let me know in the comments if you're someone who likes to wear like a bold eyeliner, or someone who likes like very thin eyeliner. Lately I've been meeting clients who are in love with applying like a very thin liner. Imagine you are in a rush already and your eyeliner doesn't match. How frustrating is that going to be? Curl my lashes and put some mascara. The mascara that I'm using is again from Blue Heaven. It retails for ₹150, and it is again very much quick drying, waterproof, and it is very lightweight. I am done curling my lashes. So now I'm going to quickly apply the mascara. Wow. I think this is the perfect time to be really testing out these products because it's really hot here in Bhopal. My sister's here, so we're gonna rush. You can see beautiful lashes. I'm applying this one. आप कौन करी थी बेबे को? निशा दी's hair. आप तो हीरोइन लग रही हुई है ना? हाँ, ये तो खतरनाक पिंक है। वीडियो बना रही हूँ। भैया तो गुस्सा हो रहा लगता है। नहीं, कोई शर्ट से खड़ा है किसी हमारी कौन की है? Done. So this is my go-to, and now I'm rushing back.